I'm here at Anchan Burgundy today, which is a brand new off-plan luxury villa development by one of Phuket's top developers. Now, as you can see, rainy season has well and truly started here in Phuket, but nonetheless, we're going to give you a tour of this beautiful 4-bedroom villa, which sits on more than 900 square meters of land. So without further ado, let's get started. Anchan Burgundy is a collection of luxury villas located about 15 minutes away from Layan Beach. And the Anchan brand is very, very popular in Phuket. They've been building here for almost 20 years now. If you follow me this way, you can see the absolutely beautiful outdoor space that we have here. The rain has started to clear up a little bit now. We've got some nice sunshine coming through, but this land plot is a really sizable one. It's more than 900 square meters. We've got a beautiful pool with these gorgeous emerald tiles, a nice sala over there. Over here, we've got a standalone bedroom, and all Anchan properties have this signature wall. It's something that they use as one of their trademarks, if you will. So this particular bedroom is standalone, perfect if you've got guests coming to stay and they want some privacy. The rest of the bedrooms are over this way. So before we look at where we're going to sleep, let me show you guys around the main living area, if you just follow me this way. So the main living area has got 2 entrances, one over here and one just this way. And again, it's kitted out in the standard Anchan style, the signature Anchan style, if you will. We've got this beautiful tall ceiling with the pitched roofs, which is complemented by this very glamorous chandelier. Over here, we've got a very, very stylish sofa area with some traditional Thai style art on the back. Now, the signature Anchan furniture package includes all of these pieces. It's got a very modern Asian feel. Over this way, it's a very, very communal kitchen space. We've got this huge island where you can prepare food when the kids are swimming in the pool, enjoying it. And round the back here, we've got all the mod cons that you would expect in a villa like this. Now, around this side, there's actually a service entrance just around there where you can do your laundry and things such as that, and where the maid can let herself in as well. So it's a nice, spacious living area, plenty of room if you want to have people around, if you want to have a dinner party. This gorgeous long table here. Let's take a look at the bedrooms around the back, starting with the master just over here. So here we are inside the master suite of this 4-bedroom villa, and this is a big, big space and a very elegantly designed space as well. One thing that I do love about this bedroom is you can open up this door here, you can open up this door at the back, and you've got a beautiful breeze coming through. What a great space to wake up on. You've got greenery over on this side, you've got the pool over on there. A very, very private and peaceful space, it has to be said. Now, as we move over to this side of the master suite, we have got ample storage space in the cupboards here, more than enough room for his and her. And another signature style of Anchan is their bathrooms. They have absolutely beautiful 5-star hotel-like bathrooms. So if you follow me this way, you can see that the bathroom is very, very well done. I love these marble tiles on the ground. And this signature wall at the back is something we see in a lot of the Anchan villas. We've got this gorgeous, huge bath, this big signature wall. It really does give it a luxury feel. Of course, we've got a large rain shower. And if you come around here, this sort of bamboo style towel rack, again, it has that sense of a five-star hotel. So an absolutely beautiful space in the master bedroom. We've got two more bedrooms which are just next door and another one which is over that side. So let's go and have a look at the two this way. So here we are inside one of the guest bedrooms, which is also a very spacious bedroom. Again, designed in the traditional Asian style. We've got these beautiful castanet doors. Let me just open this one, that open up here if you want to let some air in. You've got this gorgeous greenery around the back. And of course, this bedroom is en suite if you follow me around here. So we've got more than enough storage space for your clothes here. And of course, we've got a similarly designed bathroom. It's just a little bit smaller than the one in the master bedroom. Now, if you follow me this way, guys, we've got another bedroom through here, which is a little bit smaller, actually. If you come through this way, we've still got beautiful greenery outside every bedroom. So every bedroom has got access to a little garden space. And of course, to my right here, we've got another stylishly designed bathroom. So 3 bedrooms, all en suite in the main quarters of the villa. Let's go and have a look at the standalone bedroom over this side, which is perfect if you've got guests or in-laws coming to stay. So here we are in the other master suite, which is not connected to the rest of the villa. Like I said, it's standalone. Now, I actually think I prefer this to the other master suite. We've got this nice sofa and living room area over here where you can chill and watch the TV, an enormous double bed. What I also like is the fact that this one has got a little bit of a desk behind the bed so you can work with that beautiful view of the pool. And it's also, of course, got more than enough storage space for all your clothes down here. And it's got that standard, beautiful, signature style Anchan bathroom with that standalone bathtub, this huge, gorgeous feature wall. Again, it really does have a 5-star hotel feel to it. I'm sure you'll agree, guys, this is an absolutely beautiful villa. Anchan Burgundy is located in a prime location if your children are going to UWC. It's also very close to Lion Beach, so if you want to enjoy the beach life as well, this is a perfect location. Prices start from around 40 million Thai baht, which is approximately 1.3 million US dollars. If you are interested in booking a tour to see this villa or any of the other villas that you've seen on this channel, you know what to do. You can reach us using our links on the screen or visit our website, livinginphuketproperty.com. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.